Have you ever wondered if there's more to healing than just taking pills? What if your mind and body have an innate ability to restore themselves? Welcome back. Today we will explore the wisdom of both ancient teachings and modern science to help you live your best life. Do watch till the end, as I will be sharing on how you can harness the power of your subconscious mind. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, understanding the mind-body connection. Our bodies are incredibly complex and intelligent systems, but have you ever considered how deeply connected your mind and body really are? The ancient Buddhist teachings and modern scientific research both point to a profound truth. Our thoughts and emotions can significantly impact our physical health. As the saying goes, what we think, we become. Consider this. Have you ever felt physically ill just from worrying about something? That's the mind-body connection in action. Take a moment to reflect. Can you recall a time when your emotional state noticeably affected your physical well-being? This connection works both ways. Just as negative thoughts can make us sick, positive thoughts and emotions can promote healing and wellness. It's like having a powerful pharmacy within our own minds. Number 2, the power of meditation and mindfulness. One of the most effective tools for harnessing this mind-body connection is meditation. It's like a gym workout for your mind, helping to calm the constant chatter and bring you into the present moment. Research has shown that regular meditation can reduce stress, improve sleep, and even boost your immune system. It's not just about sitting still, it's about training your mind to focus and find inner peace. Here's a simple meditation technique you can try right now. 1. Find a comfortable position. 2. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. 3. Focus on your breathing, noticing the sensation of air moving in and out. 4. If your mind wanders, softly return your attention to your breathing. 5. Begin with simply 5 minutes per day, gradually increasing the duration. Remember, meditation is a skill that improves with practice. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders. That's completely normal. The key is to keep coming back to the present moment. How do you think incorporating a daily meditation practice might change your life? Number 3, the mighty power of positive thinking. Now, let's talk about the incredible power of positive thinking. It's not just about being optimistic, it's about rewiring your brain for health and happiness. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist and author, explains that our thoughts can literally change our brain chemistry. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we can create new neural pathways that support health and well-being. Imagine your mind as a garden. If negative thoughts are not controlled, they have the potential to spread like weeds. Positive thoughts, on the other hand, are like beautiful flowers that need nurturing and care to thrive. Here are some ways to cultivate positive thinking. 1. Practice gratitude daily. 2. Use positive affirmations. 3. Visualize your desired health outcomes. 4. Surround yourself with positive people. What's one positive thought of affirmation you can start using today to support your health? Number 4, eating for holistic health. Now, let's talk about something we all do every day, eating. But have you ever considered how your relationship with food affects your overall health? Mindful eating is about more than just what you eat. It's about how you eat. It involves paying attention to your food, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Here are some tips for practicing mindful eating. 1. Eat without distractions, no TV or phone. 2. Chew slowly and savor each bite. 3. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. 4. Stop eating when you feel satisfied, not overly full. Remember, food is more than just fuel, it's information for your body. Choose foods that nourish and energize you. How might your relationship with food change if you started eating more mindfully? Number 5, harness the healing power of nature. Nature has an incredible ability to heal and restore us, both physically and mentally. Yet in our modern technology-driven world, we often forget to connect with the natural world around us. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and even boost our immune system. It's like a free, all-natural pharmacy right outside our door. Here are some ways to incorporate nature into your healing journey. 1. Take a daily walk in a park or natural area. 2. Practice earthing by walking barefoot on grass or sand. 3. Bring plants into your home or office. 4. Try forest bathing, a Japanese practice of immersing yourself in nature. What's one way you could spend more time in nature this week? Number 6. The power of sleep and rest. In our fast-paced world, sleep is often undervalued, but it's during sleep that our bodies do much of their repair and restoration work. Lack of sleep has been linked to a host of health problems, from weakened immunity to increased risk of chronic diseases. On the flip side, getting enough quality sleep can boost your mood, improve your memory, and even help you maintain a healthy weight. Here are some tips for better sleep. 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. 3. Make your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. 4. Avoid screens for at least an hour before sleep. 5. Diffuse relaxing essential oils during sleep. To find out more about what essential oils to use for promoting sleep, do check out my other video on essential oils good for sleep in the link above and in the description down below. Remember, rest isn't just about sleep. It's also about taking breaks throughout the day to recharge and reset. How might prioritizing sleep and rest change your daily life and overall health? Number 7, the role of exercise and natural healing. Exercise isn't just about building muscle or losing weight. It's a powerful tool for natural healing. Regular physical activity can boost your mood, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent chronic diseases. But exercise doesn't have to mean hours at the gym. It can be as simple as a daily walk, a yoga session, or dancing to your favorite music. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Here are some ways to incorporate more movement into your day. 1. Take a walk during your lunch break. 2. Try a new fitness class with a friend. 3. Do some stretching or yoga while watching TV. 4. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Remember, the best exercise is the one you actually do consistently. What's one form of exercise you could start doing today that you'd actually enjoy? Number 8. The power of community and relationships. We often think of healing as a solitary journey, but the truth is, our relationships play a crucial role in our health and well-being. Strong social connections have been linked to better immune function, lower rates of anxiety and depression, and even longer lifespans. On the other hand, loneliness and isolation can be as harmful to our health as smoking or obesity. Here are some ways to nurture your social connections. 1. Reach out to a friend or family member regularly. 2. Join a club or group based on your interests. 3. Volunteer in your community. 4. Practice active listening and empathy in your relationships. Remember, it's not about the quantity of relationships, but the quality. Focus on cultivating deep, meaningful connections. Who is someone in your life that you could reach out to today to strengthen your connection? Number 9. Embracing simplicity for wellness. In our complex, fast-paced world, simplicity can be a powerful tool for healing. Simplifying our lives can reduce stress, increase focus, and create more space for what truly matters. This doesn't mean you have to become a minimalist overnight. It's about identifying what's essential in your life and letting go of the rest. Here are some ways to embrace simplicity. 1. Declutter your physical space. 2. Practice saying no to commitments that don't align with your values. 3. Simplify your diet by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. 4. Take regular breaks from technology. Remember, simplicity isn't about deprivation, it's about making room for what truly nourishes you. What's one area of your life that you could simplify this week? Number 10. Unlock the power of the subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is like a powerful computer, constantly running in the background and influencing our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By learning to harness this power, we can create profound changes in our health and well-being. Techniques like visualization, affirmations, and hypnosis can help us reprogram our subconscious mind for health and healing. It's like planting seeds in the fertile soil of our minds and watching them grow into vibrant health. Here are some ways to work with your subconscious mind. 1. Practice visualization, imagining yourself in perfect health. 2. Use positive affirmations throughout the day. 3. Try self-hypnosis or guided imagery techniques. 4. Pay attention to your dreams and what they might be telling you. Remember, your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. Use this to your advantage by consistently feeding it positive, healing thoughts and images. If you could reprogram one belief in your subconscious mind, what would it be? As we come to the end of our journey, remember that healing is not just about addressing symptoms. It's about creating a state of balance and harmony in your entire being. It's about recognizing the incredible power you have within you to influence your own health and well-being. What's one insight from this video that you'll start implementing in your life today? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about how they can heal their body naturally. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.